Well, it is Tuesday and I am back in the office. I was in Philadelphia this morning representing a client at a preliminary hearing, and now I'm back in the office in Morristown, New Jersey, getting ready to see some clients in the afternoon session. With that said, I did come out with a blog article regarding the charge of drug delivery resulting in death. I believe that we're going to see a lot more of this charge in the coming months, in the coming years, due to the substantial increase in drug overdoses across the country. In that blog article, I put a stat from the CDC regarding drug overdoses in the country, and they're up substantially. So prosecutors at the local, state, and federal level are looking for ways to combat that. And one of those ways is with this charge, in addition to the standard drug distribution charge and conspiracy charge, and obviously possession charge. Remember that simple possession in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, it's a ungraded misdemeanor offense or a disorderly persons offense. Potentially in New Jersey, it can be an indictable offense, but again, it really depends on the drug and the actual weight. With that said, in addition, the distribution charge, again, it goes by the weight and the substance, but it can range from a crime of the first, second, or third degree in New Jersey, or again in Pennsylvania. It can range on whether it's a felony of the first degree or an ungraded felony, depending on the type of drug and the amount of the drug in question. So the charge of drug delivery resulting in death, however, is a much more serious charge, and that's why prosecutors are using it. But in that article, I detail why it's such a serious charge, because the prosecutors don't need to establish beyond a reasonable doubt that that particular drug was the particular cause in causing that person's alleged death. So in the case of a drug user or a drug addict, where frequently following the autopsy, we find various substances in the person's body, as long as they can find the drug in question in that person's system, there's a strong possibility that the prosecution will be able to meet its burden of proof beyond reasonable doubt. So in that article, I talk about possible defenses that we can use, the joint user defense. I also get into the causation issue, what you need to look for. It's a very important article. But if you have questions about this charge or any drug charge in Pennsylvania or New Jersey, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The website, gamboandlaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All of my books, my blogs, my videos are available there in one convenient format. In addition, all of our strategy books are available on gamboandlaw.com. You can download them at no cost to you. Came out with the most recent book on New Jersey criminal defense, where I explain and discuss the most common criminal offenses that we see and defend in the state of New Jersey. It goes great with our other books. Please take a look at it today. But again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Have a great Tuesday, and I will talk to you all very soon.